Hi everyone, this is Jeff with Parking Alert Signs. I'm introducing our four-way traffic control kit. It can be used for four-way traffic control, three-way, two-way. Here are some application examples. Tight corners for one vehicle at a time, intersections and blind spots, and complex intersections that can be confusing for your drivers. The basics of this system is very simple. When a vehicle is detected, it turns on a green light for that intersection and allows the vehicle to go through, keeping the others red. It also has built-in intelligent queuing, so as it detects the first car, when a second car pulls up, it will detect that one and allow that traffic to queue through. And even when the third car is detected, it knows when to turn that one to green and keeps it flowing. Next, we have our traffic flow control. This is basically when you have a second car right behind the first car, and it allows that traffic to keep on flowing in one direction until clear, and then allows the second direction to go. And here's our cross traffic flow control. It allows cross traffic to cross at the same time and then switch over to the other direction. Really simple system, and we have it in complete kits ready to go. Thanks.